We are halfway through these species ID videos and have reached my secret favorite plant, Subalpine lupins. Or not so secret, since if you meet me, you will see that I have one tattooed on my left forearm. These are probably the most abundant wildflowers you will see on the mountain, and they're also incredibly ecologically important. They are nitrogen fixers, meaning that with the help of bacteria living in their roots, they can convert nitrogen in the soil to a form that both they and other plants can use. And we don't have time to get into this, but they also have dozens of different relationships with insects and other wildlife. Plus, as you can see, they are beautiful. They have divided leaves that we call palmate, meaning they look like the palm of a hand with spread fingers. They have spiky inflorescences, which, remember from the bracted lousewort video, are called racemes. And just like the bracted lousewort, this is a species where you are likely to see the phenophases aging downwards. So in this illustration, the raceme on the left has buds at the top and flowers at the bottom, and the raceme on the right has senescing or aging flowers at the top and fruit pods at the bottom. The four phenophases are quite distinct in lupins, which is nice, but because you'll often see multiple phases simultaneously, you just want to make sure you look closely at the plants in the plot. The buds can be a pale green early on and will turn purple as they develop. They'll hug the stem tightly. And the purple flowers will open up into a kind of butterfly shape, and because lupins are in the Fabaceae or pea family, their fruit look like the most adorable little green pea pods, or like edamame. The fleshy fruit will dry out and become hard and brownish gray as the seed release stage begins, and eventually each pod will crack open and release its seeds explosively. What we want you to look out for to identify the seed release phase is that there is at least one pod that has cracked open and curled up, but that there are still some that remain closed.